Hi there, I'm R.D. Wallace from Chestnut Hill Outdoors, and one of the advantages of planting food plot trees is that just like with a traditional food plot, you can actually extend your harvest season over as much as 6 months by planting a range of different kinds of trees. So the core of your planting should be Dunston Chestnuts, and they ripen in September and October. And here is a 4-year-old Dunston Chestnut that will actually start bearing next year. But there are other plants that you can use to extend your harvest, such as wild plums. And here we have an American persimmon, and we have early and late drop persimmons that bear fruit starting in September and go all the way through to Thanksgiving in December, and they're hardy as far as Zone 5, which is central Michigan or even southeastern Wisconsin or New York. In addition, we also grow pear trees, and this is the Dr. Deer pear or the Thanksgiving pear that holds its fruit as late as December. And that's another excellent plant that's cold hardy and can be grown all over the nation, thereby getting you harvest starting in the summer and going all the way through almost till Christmas. For more information, visit chestnuthilloutdoors.com for planting instructions, variety descriptions, and lots of valuable information on how to grow food plot trees.